the sauce for about 2 hours to go Kanju. Not sure if I'm pronouncing that right. I'm gonna give it a quick grill, and then we're gonna move it up higher. We'll see how this comes out. Alright, this was the Gokanju sauce. We're calling it anime fire sauce, because we're doing like an anime themed cookout. Just putting a little more on here. I do have some just regular chicken. I also have my anime themed shirt, Godzilla. Yeah, hate me if you want, I don't care.
Well, is it ballin' or is it fallin'?
Ballin'.